This turmeric tea tonic immunity boost recipe is what you need to start your day. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to Bumi Omolola and Family's channel. In today's video we are going to be showing you how to make this very concentrated wellness shot that is made of turmeric, ginger and citrus juice with a spicy, sour and a warmy kick. And all you need to make this juice is your blender, a very good blender, and a sieve to filter the juice. No juicer needed for this recipe, so please stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the process. If you can't get hold of fresh turmeric and fresh ginger, please kindly replace this with ground turmeric powder and ground ginger powder. As tasty as this juice, it is also packed with so many different benefits. It helps to elevate mood and cognitive functions. It aids your digestions. It supports your immunity. It also helps to balance blood levels and sugar levels. If you find this juice to be too bitter or too spicy, you can add a dash of maple syrup or honey to this recipe. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much. You're welcome. God bless you. And to our returning viewers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. God bless you too. Remember, we love you, but God loves you more. The use of silicone mold, a nylon or a plastic mold, if you have one, helps to make servings very easy and comfortable. Please kindly store this in the freezer after this process. If you have watched this video up to this very moment and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can be a part of this great family, and also like this video, share it to your friends and families. I believe there are so many others that doesn't know about this recipe that would like to know about it. Don't forget to leave your comments below. We are very happy and very glad to see your comment. I will be responding to every one of them. Thank you so much, and keep watching till the end. This is how the juice should look like after storing it in the freezer for some hours or overnight. Okay, so you have to store it in a container, or if you have any other means to store this, please kindly do so. Today's Bible motivation will be taken from the book of John 14 verse 6. He said, and Jesus said to him, I am the way, I am the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. My brothers and sisters, he has made it so clear that if you don't pass through him, you cannot get to the Father. He is not just a guide, it's not just a model, he is the very path itself. He is the truth, he is the word of God. Is the life. Without him, we are living a meaningless life. Without Christ in us, we are a living corpse on earth. Without Christ in us, the end thereof is death. I urge every one of us today to make the right choice. Until next time, bye-bye.